Increase your server efficiency with the Queued Jobs tool. Easily schedule tasks with long processing time to run in the background so you can process multiple jobs simultaneously. You can view all submitted jobs from the dashboard in the My Queued Jobs panel. Click Show All at the bottom of the My Queued Jobs panel to view all queued jobs. To see all submitted jobs or search for a particular one, you need to go to the main menu and click on Queued Jobs. You can view the job status even if the system has yet to process the job. When it's first queued, the job is labeled as submitted. When it's actively working, it changes to processing. If a job has failed to process, the error log will display the reason for the failure. If a job has finished processing, it will be marked as completed. You have complete control of your queued jobs at all times. Select the job you want, click on the Action menu in the right-hand corner and choose the action you want to take. You can cancel a job, put it on hold, restart it, or change the job's priority. You can also edit job priority at any time before the job is complete. Clicking a job ID will open the Queued Jobs Details page. Review all actions related to your job in the Log panel. In the Item IDs List section, click on Get IDs List to view all items affected by a job, such as orders, products, and POs. You can save output files from your queued jobs for your record keeping. Simply go into the General panel, find the Output File field, click the Download Output File icon, or click the Download Output File link on the top. There are 3 job priority levels: below normal, normal, high, and critical. You can change the job priority at any time.